Hi everybody, I'm Kathleen Byram. I'm the author of Conversations with Donkey, a bipolar journey. I want to talk to you today about the alien living in our oceans. Imagine a creature with 3 hearts, blue blood, and a brain that doesn't live in its head, but is wrapped around its arms. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this isn't science fiction, it's the octopus. If an alien species were to land on Earth, they might look at us and think we're interesting, but then they'd look at an octopus and say, finally someone we can relate to. Evolutionarily speaking, humans and octopuses split from a common ancestor over 500 million years ago. Back then, we were just primitive worms. We went one way, they went the other. And yet, despite developing on an entirely different evolutionary branch, they evolved a level of intelligence that rivals some mammals. By the way their minds work is beautifully strange. You see, about 2/3 of an octopus's neurons aren't even in its brain. They're in its arms. Think about that for a second. Every single one of an octopus's 8 arms can taste, touch, and think for itself. If an arm is severed, it will still crawl around, hunt, and try to feed a mouth that is no longer there. It is a completely decentralized mind. It's like having 8 highly capable assistants, each running its own independent department, while the main brain just gives the ultimate approval. And with that incredible mind comes a level of curiosity and mischief that aquarium keepers know all too well. Octopuses are famous escape artists. They can figure out how to unscrew jars from the inside. They remember individual human faces, holding grudges against people they dislike, and squirting water at them. In one famous aquarium incident, an octopus figured out how to short-circuit the overhead lights by spraying water at them because the brightness was annoying it. But their intellect is matched only by their theatricality. They are the ultimate masters of illusion. An octopus can change the color and the texture of its skin in less than a second to blend into a coral reef or a sandy bottom. They do this using thousands of specialized cells called chromatophores. But it gets weirder. Some species, like the mimic octopus, don't just hide, they perform. If they are threatened, they will mimic the shape, movement, and behavior of toxic creatures like lionfish, sea snakes, or soles to scare off predators. They analyze their environment, figure out what their enemy is afraid of, and then put on a costume to match. It's brilliant, calculated deception. Sounds like a boggart. That's from Harry Potter. Is that the right word? A boggart? I may be saying it wrong. The tragedy of the octopus is their lifespan. For all their brilliance, most species only live 1 to 5 years. They are a brilliant flash of cosmic lightning in the ocean, incredibly smart, fiercely independent, and profoundly alien. The next time you look out at the ocean, just remember, we don't need to look to the stars to find strange, intelligent life. It's already here, swimming in the shadows, watching us back. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.